Hey guys, I wanted to make this quick tutorial just to show you what you are going to do in terms of submitting your presentation videos and completing the critical thinking questions. So we are now at week 15. If you notice, there is only one assignment listed, our group presentation. Notice how it says submission and discussion page. So what this means is you are going to be using this link to submit your presentation video, and you're going to be using the same link to respond to the critical thinking questions of other groups. So first, let's click here. I want you guys to notice that at the very bottom of the page, there is actually a reply option. Okay, so notice one group has already posted their video, which is great. You have to click on the reply option right here, and you can upload the video that you have saved in your computer, or even a YouTube link if you uploaded your video on YouTube. So this is where you go to upload. You're going to be uploading media, and over here, if you click, it'll open up the files that are in your computer. I actually have one ready to go. It's just a sample video. It's just like a tutorial I had made. So I'm going to open it up and notice how my video appears. If I were you, I would just double check just to make sure, you know, it's working properly, that it is the file that I was aiming for. And then I'm going to click submit. So as soon as I submit, of course I'm going to cancel this because I don't want anybody to watch this video. It's totally unrelated to our class. It's going to load for a while because this is actually like a 18-minute video. But I am going to make sure that underneath the video, I also include my group name. My group number, just like the presenters did below. And the story that we are presenting on. Actually, I forgot to put the group number, but please don't forget to put the group number below. So let's say I am, I don't know, group number 1. This is actually going to take a while for it to load. Let's just wait. You're going to write your group number. You're going to write the full names of all of your group members, and you are going to write the fairy tale title. So if you were, let's say, going to do your presentation on Beauty and the Beast, you're going to write Beauty and the Beast just to clarify what the subject of your presentation is. As soon as you guys are finished posting the video, so let's say you click post reply. Okay, I'm just going to post it right now. Okay, blah, blah, blah. I am the test student. It'll appear after the video loads. So notice how my video will be down here. It's always going to be from the oldest to the newest. That's the way that the discussion forum is set up. Now, somebody else comes and watches my presentation video. Where are they supposed to respond to my critical thinking questions? Wow, what a good question. They're supposed to respond right over here. You click reply, and let's say I asked 2 critical thinking questions. I'm going to answer the first question, then I'm going to answer the second question. Whoops. Oh, suddenly my video appeared. Yay! I'm going to answer the second question. I am also going to leave an end comment for my group, for that group to consider. So I'm going to write what I liked about the presentation and what I think the group needs to work on. It's kind of like that end comment, you know, you give like a little overview. Hey guys, this is what you did really well, and this is what you didn't do so well that maybe you should work on a little bit more. So as soon as I do that, I'm going to post my reply, which I will delete this very soon so that I don't confuse any of my students. And notice how the video is still loading. It takes a while, by the way, especially if your video is kind of long, like if your video is over 15 minutes, and this video I think was like 18 minutes long. I probably should have selected a shorter video to demonstrate with. It will take a while, so don't panic if it's loading for a while. Just keep refreshing the page. Just be patient. Canvas is sometimes slow, so please consider that. Just wait it out. And then notice that now I have 2 responses to the discussion questions. You're going to do this for a total of 5 groups. So let's say I'm going to watch this group's presentation. I'm going to click reply. In their presentation, they asked me critical thinking questions. I am going to answer those questions and move on to the next group and move on to the next group. And that is how to do the discussion portion. I'm going to delete this because I don't want my students to see it and be confused. So let me just delete all traces of my comments from this page. So once again, I just want to show you guys that this is the page you're going to come. The group leader is going to press reply. They're going to upload the presentation video. And then as soon as everybody has uploaded their video, so we'll wait until, after Wednesday. So I would say come back to this page after you guys have uploaded your presentations. Come back to this page Thursday morning and start watching the videos. I put 5 groups, okay, because we are a lot of groups. We're over 10, so it's a lot to do. Of course, I would love it if you guys watched all of the presentation videos, but I think that would be a lot for you guys to handle, so I don't want to push it. I think 5 is good enough. If you watch 5 groups videos and respond to their critical thinking questions, which are going to be in their video, and then also give them some feedback, that's what you do for the discussion portion. I want to remind you that if you don't do this discussion portion, which is responding to 5 groups, their critical thinking questions, and giving them feedback, you are going to receive a 5% grade penalty. And that's a significant amount, by the way. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it is. So please make sure you remember what to do. You're just going to go again under week 15. It's this link right here. After you guys have uploaded your video, you're going to come back to this page and you're going to have to respond to the critical thinking questions. By the way, this is individual work. So after your group posts their video for the entire group, you are going to do the critical thinking portion by yourself. So that part is individual. It's not a group work. Okay? Please let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope this tutorial was helpful.